Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Math. I'm your tutor Sumant PF. Today we are going to learn arithmetic progression exercise 5.3 for the NCERT and exercise 1.3 for the KSEB. Topic sum of the first n terms of an AP. In that we are going to discuss the 10th question. There we have 1 and 2 in the 10th question. So we will solve this problem one by one. Let us solve. Coming to the 10th question, here they have given show that A1, A2, so on An form an AP where An is defined as below. An is equals to 3 plus 4n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Means two cases are there. 10th question we have two questions. In that we have to find sum of 15 terms. So what is the given thing over here? They have told that the given sequence is in AP. Means that first term and common difference are not given over here, but they have given over here is An. An is not given directly, but they have used some tricks over there, that is An is equals to 3 plus 4n, means they have used one equation for the An. Now your work is you have to find An, that is first term, second term, third term, like this way till An terms you have to find. And next thing they have told you to find is sum of first 15 terms. Means here the thing they have told you to find is this S15. Okay, so sum of first 15 terms is S15 they have told. So but what is the sequence? Actually they have given the sequence for you, that is 3, 4, 5, like this way any numbers are given, or 3, 14, or next is 25, 36, like this way numbers they have given. No, they have not given like this way numbers. So how you can find this answer? So easy to find it is. So they have told you to find S15. See here they have not given any AP value, but they have given the equation. Yes, using that equation we can find that. So what the equation? An is equals to 3 plus 4n, that we will write. Now remember here we have to find A1, A2, so on till An we have to find. Yes, but remember they have not given any one of the term, but they have given An, means in position of n. See here this An, in this n value we can substitute anything. We can substitute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because they have not given. Yes, so when you substitute this n value as 1, okay, let n is equals to 1. So in this equation what this equation will turns into? An, instead of An I have to write A1. Yes, so A1 is equals to 3 plus 4 into, instead of n how much I have to write? That is 1 only, because we have taken n is equals to what? 1. So if you will take the n is equals to 1, in place of n everywhere I have to write down 1. So now we will calculate 3 as it is, then 4 ones are 4, BODMAS rule we have to use. 3 plus 4 is 7. So what is the first term? 7 is the first term. So easily we found the first term. So now we have to find which term? Second term. So let, now n is equals to how much we have to take? N is equals to 2 we have to take. So now A2 we have to find. So what I have done? In position of n, this n, what I have written? 2. So what I have to write down? So if you are not getting this, so write down that formula once again. An is equals to 3 plus 4n. This is the given over here. Same thing I have taken over here. In position of n, I have written here 2. So 3 as it is I have to write, but 4 I have to write as it is. But in place of n, what I have to write? Because n I have taken as what? 2. So I have to write 2. So BODMAS rule, 3 plus 4 2 is 8. 3 plus 8 is how much? 11. So A2 value is how much? 11. So we found the first term A1, A2 term we found. Now if you want we have to find which term? Third term also. If you want, 2 is enough, because formula to find Sn is what? Because they have told you to find Sn. Formula to find Sn is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, this formula, or one more formula we have, that is nothing but Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. These two formulas, according to this we have to move. So to find this we need the first term. So we know the first term, that is a1 is the first term. and then n value is already given. How much term they have told you to find? S15 they have told, means S15 is equals to 15 is the n value divided by 2 into 2 into what is the a value? Just now we found what is the a value, that is nothing but 7. 7 you will write, plus n value means here they have told you to find sum of 15 terms of 15 is the n value. 15 minus 1, the d value we have to find. What is the d value? D value is nothing but a2 minus a1. So a2 is 11, 11 minus 7 is nothing but how much? 4. So d value we found as 4, that we will substitute over here. So next, we can't cancel this 15 and 2, so 15 by 2 as it is. 2 sevens are 14 I can write down, okay. Next, plus 15 minus 1, that is also 14, into 4, we have the d value as 4. 15 by 2 as it is. 14 plus 14 fours are how much? 14 fours are 56. So next, 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56 is nothing but 70. Yes, 2 ones are 2 35s are. So last is left is 15 into 35. I will write down this side. Okay. So S15 is equals to 15 into 35. What is 15 into 35? That is most important now. Now calculation again. Don't go with the I have told 5 15. You have to multiplying this 5 with the 15 and 3 with the 15. Then you are adding. You know 15 on the table. Yes. 15 multiply with the 5 and 15 multiply with the 3. 15 5 is how much? 75. Yes. So 5 I will write down and 7 I will keep it carrying. 15 3 is 45. 45 plus 7 52. So S15 value which they have told you to find, we found the sum of first 15 term is 525. So this is not so tough. Actually it is a easy question. In exam if they will give, you are the luckiest student, but you have to know how to find this. Sometime in place of an here they have given s. In exam they may give, instead of an they may give sn, and they may ask to find d value or a value. But remember this, whenever like say question when it will come, you have one more method of solving, that is nothing but we have one more Sn formula. Yes, Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So by this formula also we can solve. They have told you to find what? S15. Yes, so in any position I have to write down 15. 15 by 2 into a value. What is the a value? Here only we found a value is nothing but what? 7. So that 7 I can write down here. So what is the an value? We are finding the last term. So here one thing you remember, if you will change any one n value, so here we have taken this n value is what? 15. So here also n value is what? 15. So what about this n value will be now? That is nothing but a15 only. We have to find the a15 value, that is the last term. So how to find the a15? So that is the question now. A15 can be found by this an formula. An they have given the equation as 3 plus 4n. So in position of n what I have to write down? 15. So 3 as it is, 4 as it is, but what is the n value? 15. So 3 plus 15 4s are 60. So a15 value is how much? 63. So this is also possible. So now we have to substitute in that formula. So I will write once again the 15 by 2 into 7 plus a15 value is nothing but what? 63. So I will write down here S15 we are finding, that is nothing but 15 by 2 into 7 plus 7, 63 is nothing but 70. 2 ones are 2 35s are. Again you can see the same process we got. So in previously we have done this. Yes, here you can see S15 is equals to 15 into 35. Here also S15 is equals to 15 into 35. That is nothing but 525. So we got same answer in both the cases. Which method is easy for you, you can solve. But for this solving this problem, you must need this much of calculation. First we have to find a1, that is compulsory to find. A1 is compulsory to find for both the thing. Then you can continue a2 to find, then you can find the d value. The d value for this you need over here, this d value you have. After finding the d value, you have to substitute in the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d here, and you can continue. Or you, after finding the a1, you can directly jump to a15 because they have told you to find s15 for you. So a15 you find, then substitute in the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, then you will get the same answer. So both the answers are correct only, and you will get the marks if you use any one method. So this is the solution for this problem. Similar type of problem we have for the second question now, that we will solve now. Coming to the question number 10 in that second one, that is an is equals to 9 minus 5n. The same question it is, but here the equation is different. They are given 3 plus 4n, but in this case they have given 9 minus 5n. That's all. This is the difference. Now what we have to do? The same procedure, that is first we have to write down an is equals to 9 minus 5n. So they have told you to find s15, that I will write down on this side, and we have to follow now the same steps. Let n is equals to what? 1, because we have to find a1, a2, a3. We want to find the d value, then we have to find the a value, because we know the Sn formula. Again, if you want, I can write down Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or one more formula we have, that also we can substitute. So I will go with this formula first, then I will move on to the one more formula. So here what we need, the n value. N value is 15. They have told you to find s15. So s15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into a we need. So to find this a, why I am taking here, you may ask, that n is equal to 1. Why I want to take that n is equal to 1? Because I want the a value, so that I will leave as it is, because after finding the a value I will write down n value is 15 minus 1. And next we need what? D value also. So where is the d value? So these two are important, a and d. For that purpose we are doing this method. So let n is equal to 1. So now n is equal to 1 means a1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. N value is 1. So 9 minus 5 into 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4. So a1 value is 4. Understood? So a1 is 4 is nothing but that is a value. Is it easy? Yes. So now I can write down that a value over here in position of a. So here a position I have written 4. So why I am doing this all? Because I have to substitute in this formula. Now I want d value. How to find the d value? D is nothing but a2 minus a1. So a1 value it is 4. Already we found 4. But what is a2? We don't know the a2 value. For that purpose I have to find the a2 now. So let n is equals to 2. So a2 is equals to, here we have 9 minus 5, and so 9 minus 5 into, now what is the n value I have taken? 2. 2, that is equals to, a2 is equals to 9 minus 5 2 is 10. So what is the answer we are going to get now? The negative symbol we have, the greatest number have, so negative only. In 10 we have to minus 9, that is nothing but 1. So a2 value is what? Minus 1. So now in position of a2 what I have to write down? That is nothing but minus 1 I have to write down. D is equals to minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 because of a2 value. Now both the signs are negative, so negative only. Both the signs are similar, that is both are negative only. So I have to add both the number. 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. So what is the d value? D value is nothing but minus 5. That minus 5 I have to substitute here. I am writing in a bracket because it is a negative value we have. Next we will continue, that is s15 is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 into 4 is 8 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into minus 5. Okay, so now 15 by 2 as it is, 8 I have to write down as it is because I can't add 8 plus 14 because Bodmas rule you have to multiply first. So plus into minus here, plus 14 into minus 5. So minus, plus into minus is minus. 14 5 is the 70, remember. So sometime we will not see this negative symbol and directly we will write down the 70 as the answer, that then we will add that. So don't do that, just to see that negative symbol also, very important. So 15 by 2 as it is we have to write. Now we have to do the next calculation. Into it is bracket minus into. So next calculation is very important. Negative we have, and here we have positive. So greatest number is negative only. So 8 is positive over here. So greatest number is negative. So negative is the symbol we have to put. Then both the symbols are not same. One is plus, one is minus. So we have to subtract 8 from the 70. That is nothing but 62. Now the calculation part is a easy one. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are. Now is lastly left is only one thing. I will do it here. S15 is equals to 15 into minus 31. So now the same, negative into positive is negative only. So 15 ones are table, you know. Again, don't go with the 1 into 15, 3 into 15, don't add. Directly 15 ones are table. 15 ones are, 15 threes are, you have to do. 15 ones are 15. 5 I will write down, 1 will be carrying. Okay. 15 threes are 45 plus 1 is 46. So S15 is nothing but what? 465 is the final answer. This is the one method of finding the S15. One more method we have, that we have to go with the Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Then we are finding how to find the A15 value, because we want the last term. Once you have to try that method, whether you are going to get the same answer or what, you have to check and try it, verification, any one method you have to follow. So again I will not solve that method, because you have to try it once. If you have any difficulty, then I will solve in my next video. Coming to the last, that is we have question for your work at home. Here are the two questions, that is solve exercise 5.3 in the 10th question once again, and second question is most important for your annual examination point of view. If the sum to n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 4n, then the common difference of an AP you have to find. So these are the two questions you have to solve. This much is for today's video. Please support my channel, that is PSM Perfect Solution for Math. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.